Introduction. When it comes to standing out in the crowded digital space, mortgage brokers in New York face a set of unique hurdles. The fast-paced nature of the industry, coupled with the need for an effective online presence, creates challenges that are distinct to this profession. Understanding these challenges is important because overcoming them can significantly enhance a broker's ability to connect with potential clients and offer them valuable services. Digital marketing is not just an option, it's a necessity for those wanting to meet their business goals and stay competitive. Addressing these hurdles means recognizing what makes the role of a mortgage broker different and using those distinctions to drive marketing strategies. By focusing on the particular needs of their clients and the regulatory landscape they're navigating, brokers can make informed decisions that boost their outreach and build trust with their audience. Understanding the mortgage broker audience for mortgage brokers. Understanding your audience is the foundation of your digital marketing strategy. It's crucial to grasp who your potential clients are, what they need, and how they make decisions. Most people seeking mortgage services aren't coming into the conversation fully prepared or knowledgeable about all options. They look to brokers as guides who can help them make one of the most significant financial decisions of their lives. Tailoring your strategy starts with knowing your audience's likes and dislikes. Are they primarily first-time homebuyers, or are they seasoned investors looking for better rates? Do they prefer more detailed information up front, or are they looking for quick, digestible advice before making contact? Building marketing strategies around these factors can significantly improve engagement. Here's how you can tailor your digital marketing initiatives. Content creation. Share informative guides that break down complex mortgage terms. Customer service. Offer quick online chats to answer preliminary questions. Visual aids. Use infographics or short videos to explain the mortgage process. These approaches help bridge the gap between what potential clients need and the services you offer. Navigating regulatory challenges. Working within a heavily regulated industry, brokers in New York must ensure their digital marketing materials meet all legal standards. Being well-versed in these requirements is critical for gaining the trust of your clients and boosting your reputation. New York has specific regulations about how financial services can be advertised online. This means that mortgage brokers need to ensure every claim made is backed up with appropriate disclaimers and that no misleading information is presented. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Compliance checks. Regularly review marketing content for compliance with federal and state laws. Clear disclosures. Make sure all terms and conditions are transparent. Legal updates. Stay informed on changing regulations. By aligning your marketing efforts with these standards, you safeguard your business and ensure that your client relationships start off on a solid foundation. Building credibility and trust. Building trust online is vital for mortgage brokers aiming to attract and retain clients. Trust begins with your digital presence. When potential clients visit your website or social media pages, they should immediately feel they are dealing with knowledgeable professionals. One effective strategy is showcasing client testimonials. Share real stories from satisfied customers. These genuine endorsements can reassure potential clients of your reliability. Another approach is producing authoritative content. This means writing articles or blogs that address common questions or concerns people have about mortgages. When your content answers their questions, it positions you as a knowledgeable source. Moreover, consider the following points. Professional design, and make sure your website is clean, modern, and easy to use. Consistent branding. Keep your messaging and visuals consistent across all platforms. Expert articles. Publish content that reflects your expertise on mortgage industry trends. These elements help paint a picture of a trustworthy and competent business. Leveraging local SEO for better visibility, mortgage brokers can benefit from optimizing their online presence for local search results. Local SEO involves tailoring your online content so that it appears for local searches, which are essential for businesses like mortgage brokerage that cater primarily to a specific region, such as New York. By targeting your efforts on this, your business becomes more visible to potential clients searching for services like yours in your area. To get started with local SEO, there are strategies you can employ. Google Business Profile. Ensure your profile is fully updated with correct address and contact info. Local keywords. Use terms specific to New York in your website content. Backlinks from local sites. Partner with local real estate agents for backlinks to your site. These efforts help your visibility and make your brokerage appear more relevant and accessible. Overcoming competition from larger firms. Standing out in a field filled with large firms can be challenging, but smaller mortgage brokers have the advantage of agility and personal service. Large firms may have more resources, but they often lack the personal touch that smaller brokers can offer. As a smaller brokerage, emphasize the personalized service you provide. Unlike big players, smaller firms can offer tailored solutions and build stronger relationships. To make the most of this advantage, consider these strategies. Highlight personal connections. Share stories that showcase your personal client interactions. Niche expertise. Focus on a specific area of mortgage finance where you excel. Rapid response. Offer quicker response times to inquiries. By highlighting your unique offerings and building close relationships, you can set yourself apart from larger competitors. Wrapping up your digital marketing strategy, digital marketing can transform mortgage brokers who are ready to face its unique challenges. By understanding your audience, navigating the regulatory landscape, and building trust, you set a foundation for success. Incorporating local SEO strategies will increase your visibility among potential clients in New York. Through carefully crafted strategies and emphasizing the personal service that only smaller brokers can offer, you position yourself as the best choice for clients searching for a mortgage broker who understands and values their needs. By putting these strategies into practice, you'll create a strong and sustainable digital marketing approach. To truly make your mark and connect with your audience in meaningful ways, consider the advantages of incorporating digital marketing for mortgage brokers into your strategy. Ask Auggie can help mortgage brokers like you navigate the complexities of digital outreach and enhance your online presence. Embrace these techniques to build stronger client relationships and achieve business growth. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. All the best to your success.